Sup everyone, this is Legend Okitha and we're back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw cool 3D/illusion drawings. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Okay, so for the first drawing you need to start off with lines like this. Then you would want to connect them like this. And do all them. Once you do that, connect the top and bottom together and both sides together and draw X between the 4 points like this. So now it should look like this. Finally, what you'd want to do is draw one line like that and to make a square box, and do it for all of them. See, and it looks like these 4 squares are popping out of the paper. So now let's go on to the second drawing. For the second drawing, you would want to start off with the rectangle like this. Then you would want to draw a small diagonal down like this. Then a straight line. Then a diagonal. Another straight line. Another diagonal. Straight line until you go to the other side. Diagonal and a straight line like that. Then you would want to draw the following lines. Draw a straight line down on your first diagonal like this. Then go to the start of your second diagonal. Draw a straight line down. Then on the bottom of that diagonal, draw a straight line down. And do the exact same thing for each of the diagonals you drew. Like that. What you want to do next is go over it in a Sharpie over the lines that you just drew, the diagonals and the straight lines you just drew. And you should go and go over a Sharpie of the top part too. And then you would want to color this part in with Sharpie. Okay, after you did that, then you would want to get your pencil again and color it, and then shade in these small lines you just drew like this. This is how the final product should look like. So this is going to look like this: 3 stairs going into your paper. See, it looks like this: stairs going into your paper. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.